So, I don't know. So, I'm gonna be showing you a glitch that you can do with the saddle thing. If I can find my gun. 2 guns. God. Did I die? I did. I need to stop dying with these. I don't know. Actually, if I did, I would probably suggest I didn't put on the nightmare arms because they make my hands longer. And this is actually, or let's see. So if you put on, so some tips and glitches, and you put on the nightmare arms, they'll make your arms longer. Okay. Oh god, why is that out? So this is really cool, and I'll show you, like, hang on. It would normally be like right here, or like kind of like that. And we're gonna be going to the circus and showing you how to get infinite coins. Or like, not actually like company coins, but like coins. Or tokens, whatever you call them these days. So you want to become a saddle. So you want to go in here, and then you want to do the flying glitch, and you want to fly to circus. But you need the clown to get you, so you can get to jump rope. But what it will do, I'm not kidding, it will teleport you to the end. After you let go, you'll be teleported to the end of, like, hang on. So after you fly to this guy, and so he got me. You just want to do this because, am I holding something? Oh my god. Oh. So I dropped something, I'm pretty sure. But it'll think, oh, you completed it. So then, hang on. I wonder what happens. Oh. Well, that's how you get the trampoline and get free. If you get like alt accounts or like different headsets online, and you join and you do the glitch more, you'll actually get more coins, like 11, a whole bag filled. You only need like 2 accounts or 2 or 3 accounts just to do it. Wait, I just found an out of map glitch. Also, if you want to get out of the map, so you just get that, and it's hard, and I haven't done it. I just saw something, and I said, oh, out of the map glitch. That's all I said. I'm not saying it will work. I'm just saying it could. So that's how you get coins. But it's also, but you might need like 2 accounts on. I'm just gonna put, what? I need to join a different lobby. Sell machine. That normally doesn't happen. Oh. Okay. What is happening? I'm pretty sure like something happens if you've done something bad. I don't know. Yeah, if I'm banned in Animal Company, just memorize already told you that. God. What? Okay, I'm just gonna. Hang on. Is it because of my hands? It's not. Yeah, it's because of nothing. So the one thing I'm doing is, I have a full bag of coins. So this is 3. So, 11 coins. Hang on. I gotta grab that. Okay. So. Okay. Animal come fix this. But also in this update, you can put VHSs in your. I need to just. Should I give away stuff? Not gonna give away stuff. Oh, I might.